Sunshine Gang, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is August Nicole, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you will know when I will be posting new videos. And y'all, today is part 4 of my Color of Spring wig series, and today I am going to be telling y'all about this pretty teal color wig right here, and her name is Trina, and she is from Motown Tress, and this is how she's looking on the stock card. And like I said, I got her the color teal, and it's a lace deep part, and her name is Trina, and she has ear to ear lace, and she is heat safe up to 400 degrees, and she has a pre-plucked party space, so it's a super long 5-inch party space, and this is how the party space is looking. And she does come with the standard cap construction with 2 combs in the front and 1 in the back, and she does have the adjustable strap. And y'all, I would consider her to be big head friendly because she is feeling comfortable on my head right now. And y'all, I didn't think that I would be rocking this color right here. Like, do y'all see this pretty color? Like, doesn't this just speak spring to you? Like, look at this. Look. Oh my god, I just really love this color. I like the length, I like the style, I like that she has like a short bob style to her. This is how she's looking on the side, and this is how she's looking back. And y'all, I was like, how am I gonna pull this color off right here? Like, I don't wear no colors like this, but I just feel like it just spoke springtime to me. This color is so pretty. Like, it reminds you of like the Easter egg blue dye that you would put on the Easter eggs, and this is so pretty. And y'all already know I will link everything in the description box for y'all, but like I said, she is from Motown Tress, and she has soft lace ear to ear. I already went over that with y'all, and she does come in a variety of colors. If you want to rock her in a natural color, she does come in a 1, in a 1B, and a 2. And she also comes in all these other fun colors. Like, she comes in lemonade, mint green, sunset red, and teal, which is the color I have. I think she would have been better if she had like a deep, like a dark root, but I like her like this too. And she has like a yucky texture to her. She's not silky, she's yucky. She doesn't shag. I'm running my fingers through her. She doesn't tangle, and that is why I am loving y'all. This is basically just like a show and tell, because I'm really feeling this wig, y'all. I really don't have nothing bad to say about Miss Trina right here. Miss Trina is so pretty. I'm liking her, and this is like the perfect length for the springtime, you know, for the summertime, you know, these short pretty hairstyles right here. And y'all, I just wanted to say that I really like trying out these different colors for this series. I really hope y'all like my Color of Spring wig series as well. This is what we going out with. We ended the Color of Spring series with a banger with this pretty teal right here, y'all. And that is really it for this video. Let me know what y'all think about Miss Trina in the comment section below. Happy spring, and don't forget to check out my other videos. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment, and I will see y'all next time. Bye, y'all.